Mga anak, nandito na ako! Babe, miss na kita. Ano ba yan? Hindi kayo marunong maglaro ng rollbox? Aba, wala silang pake oh. Parang wala umuwi. Tapos wala pang nalilinis dito sa bahay. Babe, date mo naman ako. Mag-aamongis na nga lang ako. Tignan ko na lang kung di nyo ako papansinin. Ang bango. Nandiyan na si nanay! Yung favorite chicken ko! O ano, nagutom kayo, no? Grabe, ang laki ng part na nakuha ko. Solid! Paano hindi magugutom, Nay? Ang sarap nito. Ito pa rin yung best tasting chicken para sa akin. Walang katulad to, Nay. Ay, namiss ko to yung sama-sama tayong kumakain, gaya nung bata pa kayo. Simulat sa pool, Chicken Joy na talaga ang go-to natin. Malalaki ang servings at para sa akin, ito pa rin ang pinakamasarap sa buong Pilipinas. Nabusog ako, Nay. The best ka talaga. Babe, sa Jollibee tayo mag-date bukas, ha? O kayo, comment kayo kung bakit Chicken Joy pa rin ang go-to fried chicken nyo. Anak! Itigil mo muna ang ginagawa mo! Oh, bakit po, Nay? Kasi may challenge ako sa'yo. Kapag nanalo ka, may prize ka na agad. At pwede ka nang gumala at pwede ka na magka-jowa. Game ako dyan, Nay. Okay, eto ang challenge mo. Kailangan mo lang i-battle flip to. Madali lang, di ba? Ay, yan lang. Basic. Go! Bakit ayaw? Hala, ang hirap naman neto. Akala ko madali lang manalo. Hindi naman talaga mahirap manalo, anak. Lalo na kung sasali ka sa weekly Lucky Draw promo ng Mogu. Sumali na for a chance to win exciting prizes. Up for grabs every week is an iPhone 16 Pro Max 256GB, along with other rotating prizes such as Samsung TVs, iPads, GCash, and more! All you have to do is scan the QR code on your Mogu bottle and enter the 10-digit code found under the cap to earn points and join the draw. Kaya the more you collect, the better your chances of winning. Ang dali lang pala, Nay. Favorite ko pa naman tong Mogu. For sure, marami akong makokolek. Tama ka, anak! All registered users can join! And you can use your points to submit entries for the weekly lucky draw. Imagine, umiinom ka lang ng Mogu tapos may chance ka pang manalo ng big prizes. Naku, Nay! Excited na ako manalo! Masarap niya talaga, anak. Tapos ang chewy pa, Nay. Tara, selfie tayo. Tara. Ayan, ang ganda ko dyan, Nay. Remember, life is too short, but it's not too late to join the fun and chew to win with Mogu. For more details, just visit www.mogumogu.com. Oh, bakit may pera na naman dito? Pinamigay ko na ibang pera kahapon, Kakainis naman. Ma'am, may delivery po kayo. Oh, ano to? Pera na naman? Diyos ko, ayoko neto. Sa'yo na lang, kuya. Ayoko din po niyan, ma'am. Sa iba niyo na lang po ibigay. Sige na po. Ano ba yan? Ang dami ko ng pera eh. Nay, bakit 300,000 na naman yung binigay mong baon sa akin? Hindi ko pa nga nagagastos yung baon ko last week eh. Tapos binilan mo pa ako ng bagong iPhone at iPad. Bawasan mo yung baon ko, ha? Nakakainis ka. Huwag ka na magreklamo. Ang dami na nga natin pera eh. O eto pa. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ko gagastusin to eh. Ay naku, padala kasi ng padala ng pera eh. Tapon ko na lang to.
Congrats, ma'am! Kayo po ang grand winner ng 5 million pesos!
Ano ba yan? Pera na naman? Pwede bang hindi ko tanggapin yan? Dami ko ng pera eh.
Ay, bawal na po namin kunin to, ma'am. Sa'yo na po to. Congrats po ulit!
Ba't pa ako nagising? Sana ganun na lang yung problema ko. Kakagising ko nga lang pala, mga mare. Charot lang, kanina pa ako gising. Habang tumatae nga pala ako, mga mare, bigla ako may naisip ng pagkakakitaan. Kaya naman nagpahatid na ako, mga mare, sa malapit na grocery sa amin. Bagong-bago nga pala itong naisip ko, mga mare, at wala pa nakakagawa nito. Bumili na nga ako ng mga kakailanganin ko, mga mare, para hindi tayo maubusan ng stocks mamaya. Pagka uwi ko nga, inumpisan ko na agad magluto, mga mare. Para naman marami tayong kitain ngayong araw. Wala talagang lugi dito sa small business na naisip ko. Dahil sa isang pack na to, 200 orders na ang magagawa ko dito, mga mare. Kakaiba talaga tong fries ko, mga mare. Dahil sinigang powder ang nilagay ko dito, mga mare. Ito nga pala yung 70 pesos, mga mare. Sobrang sulit na talaga. Sa sobrang mura nga nito, mga mare, nanganganib pa ako malugi. Pero hindi na importante yun, mga mare, basta marami tayong customers. Nakakatakam nga tong sinigang fries natin, mga mare. For sure, dadayuhin to. Hindi na talaga nakapaghintay ang mga customers natin, mga mare. Kita niyo naman sa mga mukha ng mga customers natin, mga mare, na masaya sila. Sobrang nagustuhan nga nila yung sinigang fries natin, mga mare. Babalik-balikan daw nila to. Ang saya pala kumita, mga mare, lalo na't galing sa dugot pawis.
Nakikiramay po ako sa pagkawala ng asawa niyo.
Masakit para sa amin ang pagkawala niya. Kailan pala namin makukuha yung mga ipapamana niya sa amin? Ipaprocess pa po namin yun, ma'am. I-update na lang po namin kayo. Sige po, attorney. Sakit ng pagkawala niya. Nay, tignan mo, may medal ako.
Oh, ano namang paki ko dyan?
Di ka ba proud sa akin?
Hindi. At wala akong paki sa'yo. Iniwan ka na ng tatay mo, di ba? Kaya pwede ka nang umalis dito.
Bakit ka ba ganyan sa akin, Nay?
Huwag mo nga akong matawag-tawag na nanay dyan. Kadiri! Hindi kita anak. Ang nanay mo, wala na. Malandi kasi.
Nay, gutom na ako.
Ay, gutom na baby ko. Wait lang, mag-order ako ng steak for you, ha?
Yay! Steak, my favorite! Ampun lang pala ako. Nasaan na yung totoo ko, nanay? Tulog sila. Nasaan na yun? Ito ba si nanay?
Sino ba ito tumatawag na to?
Muntik na yun.
Attorney?
Hello, ma'am. May update na po sa ipapamana ng namatay niyo pong asawa.
Sige. Punta ka dito sa bahay.
Sa wakas, ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay ko.
Hoy, ikaw! Pag dumating dito si attorney, magtago ka. Hindi niya pwedeng malaman na may isa pang anak ang asawa ko.
Sige po. Ma'am, nakuha na po namin yung last will and testament ng asawa niyo. Ang nakasulat po dito ay, ang 50% ng kayamanan niya ay mapupunta po sa inyo.
Ha? Mali ata yan, attorney. Dapat 100% ang mapupuntang kayamanan niya sa amin. Kami lang ang pamilya niya eh.
Bali ma'am, ang nakasulat po kasi dito ay ang isang 50% po ay mapupunta sa isa niyang anak.
Ano? Baka yan yung isa naming anak na nawala. Oo, sa amin na lang yan. Ako ang isa pang anak ni Ramon.
O anak, magluluto na ako ng ulam natin. Anong gusto mong ulam? Pinakbet?
Ayoko ng gulay na. Ayoko yung pinakbit na yan.
Fried chicken?
Nakakasawa na yung fried chicken na yan, Nay. Gusto ko yung may sabaw.
Ang arte mo naman anak. Anong gusto mo? Sopas?
Sopas, para naman tayo nasa lamay niyan eh. Gusto ko yung may baboy.
Alam ko na. Sinigang na baboy.
Ano naman yan, anak, ha? Ba't tumitila-dila ka dyan?
Di ba alam yun, Nay? Si Alden?
Diyos ko, kaka-tiktok mo na naman yan eh. Ano na naman pinapanood mo, ha?
Ay naku, mga bata ngayon. Nakakatakot na kayo.
Get ready with me to film a POV because we need to talk. So a lot of you guys probably saw yesterday I posted a video of me singing. It currently has almost 8 million views and over 1 million likes. I literally just posted it for you guys, my followers, because I once in a while will like sing in my POVs. I'll love you tomorrow. You guys seem to like my voice, so I was like, oh, this would be like a fun little opportunity for me to just like sing a little note, sing a little tune. I did like a little part to the song that has been all over my FYP, that song about the flowers.
Pretty little baby.
So I posted the video, not really thinking much of it. It's funny because the reactions have been so mixed. A lot of you guys are like really encouraging and like so sweet, and like a lot of you are saying that you didn't even know that I could sing. And the truth is that like I really don't sing professionally or anything like that. Like I don't consider myself a singer or a musician or anything like that. I just kind of sing for fun. And I honestly thought like most of you guys were not gonna even like the video. I thought it was I kind of posted it more as like a little joke because I was like, okay, I feel like they're gonna roast me. But I did not expect to get like 1 million likes on it. I was pretty shocked about that. There's also those comments of like people that are so pressed that like I did something different than POVs. Like they were so mad that I was singing. So my mic just died and I was talking and you guys couldn't hear me, but that's fine. Maybe that was for the best. I don't know why people have such a problem like when someone's known for doing one thing, but then they want to try something different. Everyone will get so mad. It's like, is it really harming anyone for me to like sing a little note? I still have the tag on this, I just realized. If you guys have seen the singing video, let me know what your thoughts are on the reactions to it, because I think it's actually very interesting. I love doing the POVs, but also I like want to try new stuff too, so let me know if you guys are down for that. Like I'm not gonna stop doing the POVs, but definitely want to do new stuff as well. So if you guys are down for that, let me know. Anyways, all that to say, I want to know if you guys would actually like more videos of me just showing my personality. Maybe like POVs with the side of my personality. Let me know if you guys would like that. Does that even make sense? And for all of you guys who left sweet comments in the comments, I appreciate you. I love you, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye.
Kara's finally normal now.
No.
Aw, see? No more super strength.
I feel weak.
Too bad you can't survive on Earth without your powers.
No, Kara. Kara? Kara!
Ma, apanan, alaputon.
Kara, no. Él es no puede cosan.
I want to stay with you here forever.
No, Kara. It is not time for you to be with me. Your family, you have a new one now. And they need you. Your father, he needs you, Kara.
Alonson.
Kara, Alonson too. But you have to go back. Protect your father. Protect your family. Promise me.
I promise.
I'm always with you.
I love you.
Wait,
Kara, come on, please. My baby, she's alive.
you saved me. How?
It was your baby sister. She has powers.
What the? Who's doing that?
It's Zoe. She must have telekinesis. The syringe with Kara's powers.
No.
I got it. I knew she was super.
I'm so happy you're okay, Kara. But are we sure your powers are back? Whoa! Yep.
Well, looks like you're a happy family again.
You have my permission to use whatever powers you want on him.
You're in big trouble, mister.
Now wait a second. My nose.
I'll take him from here, Kara. You mess with my family?
He definitely dead.
Oh, Kara, why would you come here?
I thought that being normal would make you less stressed.
Sweetheart, even though having super kids might be a bit challenging at times, I wouldn't change it for the world.
You're perfect just the way you are.
I love you guys.
We love
We
you.
love you. Group hug.